Hi, we're gonna talk about skills today. So let me show you what are skills. We can see skills in Claude. We can also see it in Perplexity, and we can also see it in ChatGPT. What is it and why it is really useful, and how you can create a skill for any task which you want AI to do every single day. I'm going to teach you today how you can create a skill and how you can use it in every single place. Let's say if you do a same automation every single day for a particular task and you want to automate that and you don't want to write the whole process again and again, asking ChatGPT to do the same work multiple times. So you can create a skill, and whenever you want it to do that particular task, you just can call the skill by slash and writing the skill name, and it will do the task. Let me show you how you can do it effortlessly with Claude. So we are here in Claude. What I want it to do, I want it to create a skill for my automation for creating my YouTube script. So I have already a skill MD file which can create and do that. But what I exactly want from it to send an automation email to me. I will be creating a new one for this video and will be showing you how you can do the same for yourself, and it can be done for multiple tasks. Let me give you an example. Let's say you ask Claude every single day for doing this whole task. Reply to only customer service emails, and other emails which requires my attention, send it to my email so I can review it and try to reply to them. So here we are in the interface and we can see, good morning Abhishek, how can I help you today? And I will put the slash command. So if you can see this command, I will put this slash and I will choose any skill which I really want. There are pre-applied skill and few skill which I have already made. So what I will go, I will write skill creator. So what it will do, it will create a skill as per my workflow and what I will be describing it to Claude. So I will be asking it to create a script making automation which can send all the script to my Notion and then sending an email when it's done. And we're gonna automate this process. Let's say I ask it to do it every single day around 9 p.m. or 9 a.m. or anytime in the whole day. First, we're gonna learn how to create a skill. Then I'm gonna show you how you can schedule it as per your time you want the skill to run. What I will do, I will try to mock it. So I have put the whole prompt and I just said it right now, and it has written all the prompt. And what I will do over here, so I want it to send that whole script to that email. So I will mention that email as well. Next thing what I will do is put enter, or I can go to cowork. So it will make the skill as I want, and I can show you one more thing which will be correlated. So I'm creating it right now, if you can see, and it will ask me more questions to get what I exactly want. So we're gonna wait, or I'm gonna skip it. I'm gonna pause the video and show you the part when it have been created. So this was one thing which we got. I can drop some suggestion to it and can see it has created multiple things. So this is something without skill, and that was with skill. And I can see with skill, this is the whole thing, and without skill. So it has created something. And again, it's one-time thing which you have to work with. And once you have give it all the reviews. So I just click on submit all reviews, click OK, click feedback.json save, and then I close it. And see, now I have given it a create me the skill. So it has some pending task which it will start completing on its own, and it will try to create the whole skill so I can use it any place where I want it exactly. In the same way, you can create the skill within your Perplexity or within your ChatGPT or any AI model which you are working with. So I can see here, they have created a hook, body and CTA. Then they have put some logging and delivery, Notion, email, what I exactly want it to do. So it's real script writer.skill is ready. And I just need to click on save skill. Once you save the skill, you will be ready to go for the next step. So what's the next step? So we're going to come to this schedule. I'm going to click on new task and we'll go to setup manually. For here, I will be using real script writer, summarize my calendar inbox to the day. So I want it to be named real script writer or shorts script writer, summarize my calendar and inbox for the day. So description would be sending it around 9 a.m. every single morning. Yep. Daily, 9 a.m. That works. How to use Claude manual? I will say automatically approve everything. I'm gonna save it. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna see every single day for what I'm exactly looking for. This is the manual scheduling. If I want to run it once, I can come here and ask it to run now. Once I click this, it will go and it will start the whole process. We can see it running over here. This real script have been made within just few minutes. So currently it is saying that it has already drafted the email. We have to go here. I will go here and see the draft. I will remove the earlier one. And once I send it, the topic is the final over problem. And here's our whole script for the reel. Now what we want it to connect it with our Notion as well. We're going to put this prompt and ask it to connect with Notion. So in the starting off, when you create any schedule, you have to reiterate with the AI to make it understand what we exactly want. If it doesn't do what we are saying it to do, it might take some time, but it's one-time efforts and it will pay off in a long run. Here we got the reel script and today's entry. So I can open the link. I got this whole thing within my Notion. This will be the whole process for creating the skill and scheduling any task within the Claude. Signing off for today. If you really enjoyed this video, click on the like button. And if you have some feedbacks for my channel or how can I improve myself every single day, I'm also learning with you guys. Drop it in the comment section and we will see you in the next video. Bye.